lucky luck. Got a flat today, and that's what's coming. You hear it? Gotta fix it. We got fucking
Rafa's garage. Look,
tire plug. So we're gonna file it down with this. Put it in there. Shove it in there.
on huevos, mijo.
This file out. Let me put this motherfucker in.
All right. Hopefully it works.
Once it's in, just pull it out. Bam! Let's check it.
What are we doing now?
Now we're checking if it fucking leaks.
Soap and water. That's all it is.
Nothing. Just cut that off and we're done.
Woo! There you go. The little roller that can.